In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google account name. If you want to update the name shown on your Google account, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. This can be useful if you recently changed your name, noticed a spelling mistake, or simply want your account details to be more accurate. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can make the change confidently. To begin, open Google and go to your Google account area. From there, look for the option that says Manage your Google account and click on it. This will take you to the main control panel for your account, where Google stores your personal details, security settings, and other account preferences. Once you're on that page, move to the left-hand column and click on Personal Info. This section contains the basic information tied to your account, including your name, birthday, and other profile details. It's the section you'll use anytime you want to make changes to how your account appears across Google services. Inside Personal Info, find the option labeled Name and click on it. This opens the name settings for your account. On the next screen, click on your current name to begin editing it. Google may show your existing first name and surname in separate fields, which makes it easy to update each part individually. Now click into the first name field and type your new first name. Then click into the surname field and enter your surname exactly the way you want it to appear. Take a moment here to double check your spelling before moving on. Since this name can appear across services like Gmail and other Google products, it's a good idea to make sure everything looks correct. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. That will confirm the update and apply your new name to your Google account. Keep in mind that in some cases, changes may not appear everywhere instantly, so if you don't see the update right away, give it a little time. Also, make sure you're editing the correct Google account if you're signed into more than one, and that's it. Once you save, your Google account name has been updated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you change your Google account name quickly and easily.